What makes a great leader? What defines an effective manager? While leadership and management serve different purposes, both require a distinct set of traits and responsibilities. Leaders are known for risk-taking, innovation, and vision, while managers focus on structure, organization, and execution. A well-functioning organization needs both leadership and management, and knowing when to lead and when to manage is key to success. In this lecture, we will explore the defining traits and responsibilities of leaders and managers and discuss how to apply these qualities in different situations. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn the key traits that differentiate leaders from managers, the core responsibilities of leadership versus management in an organization, when to apply leadership qualities and when to use management skills. The key traits of leaders versus managers. To understand how leadership and management function, we must first examine the traits that define effective leaders and managers. Traits of a leader. Leaders are visionaries. They motivate, inspire, and challenge the status quo. According to Leaders Eat Last by Simon Sinek and The 5 Levels of Leadership by John C. Maxwell, great leaders possess the following qualities. Vision-oriented. Leaders see the bigger picture and guide their teams toward long-term goals. Risk-takers. They are not afraid of uncertainty and embrace challenges to push for innovation. Inspirational. Leaders motivate people by connecting with emotions and values rather than just focusing on results. Adaptable. Strong leaders can pivot in times of uncertainty and make quick decisions when the situation demands it. Empathetic communicators. They listen, encourage, and foster trust through open and honest communication. A classic example is Elon Musk, who took major risks with Tesla and SpaceX, focusing on a bold vision rather than immediate profits. His leadership traits encourage innovation, adaptability, and inspiration. Traits of a manager. Managers are focused on stability and efficiency. Their role is to ensure processes run smoothly and objectives are met. According to The 1-Minute Manager by Ken Blanchard and First, Break All the Rules by Marcus Buckingham, effective managers demonstrate these qualities. Process-oriented. Managers ensure that systems and workflows operate efficiently. Risk-averse. Unlike leaders, managers minimize uncertainty and prioritize stability. Detail-focused. Managers focus on day-to-day operations and ensure that tasks are completed correctly and on time. Accountability-driven. They track progress, measure results, and ensure teams meet expectations. Strong decision-makers. Managers make logical, data-driven decisions to optimize efficiency. An example of a great manager is Tim Cook, CEO of Apple. While Steve Jobs was the visionary leader, Cook optimized Apple's supply chain and operations, making the company more stable and efficient. In summary, leaders inspire and innovate, while managers ensure efficiency and execution. The core responsibilities of leaders versus managers. While their traits differ, so do their responsibilities. Organizations require both leadership and management to function effectively. Responsibilities of a leader. According to the Leadership Challenge by Kouzes and Posner, leadership responsibilities include setting a vision and direction. Leaders define where the organization should go. Motivating and inspiring people. Leaders energize teams by connecting with purpose. Driving innovation and change. They encourage new ideas, take calculated risks, and adapt to change. Developing future leaders. Leaders mentor and groom the next generation of leaders. Leaders think beyond the present and push their organizations toward the future. Responsibilities of a manager. Managers focus on execution and accountability. The 1-Minute Manager outlines key management responsibilities. Planning and organizing workflows. Managers establish systems to ensure efficiency. Supervising and delegating tasks. They monitor progress and ensure work is completed on time. Setting goals and measuring performance. Managers use metrics to track success. Managing risks and problem solving. They anticipate challenges and minimize disruptions. Managers bring structure and order, ensuring that teams stay on track and meet their goals. When to apply leadership versus management skills. The best professionals know when to lead and when to manage. Balancing both skill sets is essential for long-term success. Scenario: launching a new product, crisis situation, team motivation issues, daily operations, leadership approach needed, vision, innovation, risk-taking, inspire, reassure, guide teams, emotional connection, inspiration, strategic planning for long-term success, management approach needed, execution, project timelines, quality control, organize, analyze risks, implement solutions, performance tracking, feedback, structure, monitoring work, optimizing processes. According to the Dichotomy of Leadership by Jocko Willink, strong leaders must know when to switch between leadership and management depending on the situation. For example, in a startup environment, leadership is crucial for setting a vision. But as the company grows, management becomes critical to maintain efficiency and operations. By understanding when to lead and when to manage, professionals can maximize both innovation and execution.